My name is Vidyashree Kadolkar from Team BuzzKills. Today, Ehsan and I will be delivering this presentation to you guys. This is a list of the team members, their roles and the expertise they have in various areas. So let's talk about the architectural diagram. Here we have the EHR or the provider system, wherein this will be communicating with our application and web server that will be hosted in the HTTP environment. We also have the video service, which will be used to collect the metadata of the meeting. And also, we have the authentication server calls being made. These are the different technical tools that we will be using for technical implementation. In screen prototype, the first one is the practitioner dashboard, where the practitioner will be able to see the list of all the patients and their details as well. He also can schedule a meeting by clicking on the schedule meeting button, and also can search for a patient using MRN or the patient name. On clicking on the schedule meeting button, the practitioner is redirected to the schedule a meeting page, wherein the patient can be selected and people can be added as participants from the care team, and a description can be given about the meeting. And also the meeting can be scheduled, and the meeting details can be seen by clicking on the patient's name. Various patient details and meeting details can be seen on this page, and also the practitioner will be able to start the meeting. I hereby, Ehsan, please can you continue?
Yeah, thank you, Vidya. So here in this screen, we said we are seeing this chat window. So from the main dashboard, the care team member would be able to just click on chat window, where this window would come up. So here, the one care team member would be able to interact or chat with other care team members. Some patient details would also be listed here. So, so here are some roadblocker solutions. With some solutions we anticipated throughout this course of the project. So they may be learning new technology or framework, and change of technical resource or language. That may also be requirement speed, time resolution constraint, which is then really important anticipated roadblock. And then it comes to intended functionality. If we see that a particular functionality is not able to be implemented, then we may contact or involve our TAs or mentors for quick resolution. So here is the updated Gantt chart, so which lists these three deliverables or things which we done in this particular week, which includes technology search, preparing architectural diagram, and deliverable 2 preparation, which we done. So here is a quick look of the activities in the updated Gantt chart. So let's move back to our presentation. So here in this slide, there are some weekly updates which we just went throughout this week, which includes that we explored some of the tooling options. Then we had an internal team discussion, and we also had an external discussion with our mentor, Bren, so in which we sought mentor's opinion and discussed various tooling options and assigned responsibilities among the team members. We also completed a high-level architectural diagram, which we discussed here in this presentation, and then we also prepare deliverable 2, which we need to submit at the end of this week. So then we have some of the plans for next week. So these are some anticipated plans. So they may not be hard and fast. There may be some change, because they would certainly evolve, keeping you with information that which would get in during the incoming weeks. So first we would have phase-wise development of the application. Then I would seek the guidance of mentor. We would be in touch with the mentor throughout this week, and then as soon as we have a working version of the prototype, we would just test it, and eventually we would just evaluated with the participants. So this is our presentation. Thank you for your time.